Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have this question square root of t into t plus 1 equal to 68, and we have to solve this equation for the value of t. So let's start the solution of this question. So first of all, let y equal to under root t. So we will put y equal to under root t over here, but we need the value of t as well in term of y. So for this purpose, we will square on both sides. So squaring on both sides of this equation, this will become y square equal to square root of t square. So this will become y square equal to t. So now we have both values of square root t and t in term of y. So now we will put these values. So as we have supposed this is equal to y, and this t equal to y square, so we will put these values. So y into y square plus 1 equal to 68, and now we will multiply this y. So this will become y cube plus y equal to 68, and now we will send this 68 on other side of the equation. So overall this will become y cube plus y minus 64 minus 4y. We have split this to make a formula. So now we will rearrange this equation as y cube minus 64 plus y minus 4 equal to 0. And now we can write this as y cube minus 4 cube. So that's why we have split this 68 into 64 minus 4 to make this a cube minus b cube formula. And this plus y minus 4, which is equal to 0. And now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube formula, which is equal to a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So here a equal to y and b equal to 4. So we will expand this part of the question according to this formula. So let's expand it. So this will become a minus b, that is a minus b y minus 4 into a square, that is y square, plus ab, that is y into 4, and plus b square, and plus this y minus 4, which is equal to 0. Now this will become y minus 4 into y square, and this will become 4y, and this 4 square equal to 16, and plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Now here in this single value and this value, we have y minus 4 is common, so we will take this y minus 4 is common over here. So this will become y square plus 4y plus 16, and here we have taken y minus 4 is common, so the remaining term will be 1 over here, so plus 1, which is equal to 0. Now this equation will become y minus 4 into y square plus 4y plus 16 plus 1, and 16 plus 1 equal to 17, which is equal to 0. And now we will compare these two factors with 0. So y minus 4 equal to 0, and y square plus 4y plus 17 equal to 0. And now we will send this minus 4 on the other side of the equation. So this will become y equal to 4, and y square plus 4y plus 17 equal to 0. Now we have one value of y which is equal to 4, and with this we have this quadratic equation, and we have to determine further two values of this y. So this is a quadratic equation basically. So for the solution of this quadratic equation, we will use quadratic formula, which is equal to y. This is our basically our this quadratic equation, and the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And here in this equation we have a equal to 1, b equal to 4, and c equal to 17, like this: a equal to 1, b 4, and c equal to 17. So now we will put these values, but remember one thing, that we have find out one value of y equal to 4. Please remember this value. We will use this value later on in the solution. So now let's put these values in this quadratic equation. So b equal to 4, and 4 square minus 4ac divided by 2a, a equal to 1. And Now this will become minus 4 and this will become 16, and this 4 times 1 times 17 equal to 68, and 16 minus 68 equal to minus 52, and this minus 52, so we can write this minus 52 as 4 times 13 times minus 1. So this 4 will come out in the form of 2, because square root of 4 equal to 2. And similarly, square root of minus 1 equal to iota. So overall, 2 iota will come out of the square root, and only 13 will remain under the square root. So overall, this equation will become y equal to minus 4 plus minus 2 iota. This will come out in form of 2, and this minus 1 will come out of the root in form of iota. And this 13 will remain under the square root and divided by 2. And now we will take 2 common from here. So after taking 2 common here, minus 2 and plus iota, plus minus iota under root 13 divided by 2. And now this 2 will cancel this 2. So overall the equation will become y equal to minus 2 plus minus iota under root 13. So now we will write separately minus 2 plus iota under root 13 and y equal to minus 2 minus iota under root 13. So now we have these two values of y. So let's come back to our supposition. This was our supposition. So y equal to under root 2. Now we will put under root t over here, and similarly we will put under root t over here. So y equal to under root t. So the equation will become under root t equal to minus 2 plus iota under root 13, and similarly this equation will become under root t equal to minus 2 minus iota under root 13. And now we will solve, first we will solve this equation. So let's solve this. So we will take square on both sides of this equation. So this square and similarly this square over here. So this square will cancel this square root, so this will become t, and here we will use a minus b whole square formula. So let's expand this according to formula. This will become t, and this will become a square minus 2ab plus b square according to a minus b whole square formula, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this iota under root 13 all square will become, this will become iota square into 13, iota square into 13 minus 2 times 2 equal to 4. So minus 4 iota under root 13, and this 2 square will become 4. And now as we know that iota square equal to minus 1, so we will put minus 1 into 13 minus 4 iota under root 13 and plus 4. So this will become minus 13 and this plus 4. We will take this aside. So minus 13 plus 4 minus 4 into iota under root 13 will be our final equation. So minus 13 plus 4 minus 4 into iota under root 13. So minus 13 plus 4 will become minus 9, and this minus 4 iota under root 13. This is a value of t. And now we will take other part, which is minus 2 minus iota under root 13. So let's solve this part of the equation. So again we will take square on both sides. So after taking square on both sides, this square will cancel this square root, and here both the values are in minus. This value is minus and this value is in minus. So overall here we will use a plus b whole square formula, and we will take a equal to minus iota under root 13, and we will take b as minus 2. So let's expand this equation, this equation according to formula. So overall this will become t equal to, and here we will use a plus b whole square formula. So a square according to a plus b whole square formula, a square a equal to minus iota under root 13 plus 2ab. Please remember that we have a equal to minus iota under root 13 and b equal to minus 2. So plus 2ab and plus b square. So this will become iota square under root 13, iota square under root 13 plus, here this minus and this minus when multiplied will become plus, and 2 times 2 equal to 4. So this will become plus 4 and iota under root 13, and this minus 2 time minus 2, that is minus 2 square equal to plus 4. So this will become this iota square equal to minus 1. So we will write this as minus 1 into 13 plus 4 iota under root 13 plus 4. Now this minus 13 plus 4 will become minus 9 and plus 4 iota under root 13. So minus 13 plus 4 plus 4 iota under root 13. So this will become minus 9 plus 4 iota under root 13. And now we have another value, as this was our supposition, and in the start I have told you that we have y equal to 4, if you remember. So we have also y equal to 4 in the, so we will put y equal to 4 over here. So under root t equal to 4. Now we will take square on both sides to find out the value of t. So this will become t equal to 16 after taking squares on both sides. So square will cancel the square root and 4 square equal to 16. So overall we have three values of t, and this was our question under root t into t plus 1 equal to 68. And now we have three values, that is t1 equal to minus 9 minus 4 iota under root 13, and t2 equal to minus 9 plus 4 iota under root 13. These two values of t are complex solution of this question, and while the third value t3 equal to 16, this is the real solution of this equation. So these are three solutions of this equation, which is a value of t. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Anyway, if you have any kind of questions, so you can ask me in comment section. With this, if you like this video and if you like my channel, so please, I will request you, please subscribe my channel for further videos like this. So thank you very much for watching. Goodbye, take care, tata.